Updating your payout destination on Instagram is essential for ensuring you receive payments correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Step 3. Go to Settings. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Navigate to Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. Tap on it to access your payment settings. Step 5. Update Payout Destination. Under the Payments section, find the option for Payout Destination. Tap on it and follow the prompts to update your payout information, ensuring all details are accurate. Once you have completed these steps, your payout destination will be updated. Make sure to double-check your information to avoid any issues with future payments.